Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Let's make.
I'm trying to take a picture for her again.
You go see mommy and you get in the picture.
Yay! Lights. Yeah, Sprayden. Lights up there. Lights. That's pretty. Pretty. Ready? Go get Brady. Oops.